start with chapter number 5, that is life in the temperate grassland. So in this chapter we will study about prairies. So in previous chapter you have read about tropical rainforest. So grasslands, how we define? So grasslands क्या होते हैं? They are the reason that grasses are dominant type of plant life. Grasslands are called seas of grass also, right? And grasslands होते हैं prairies के नॉर्थ अमेरिका में लाई करते हैं, वेल्स के साउथ अफ्रीका. First is prairies. So the prairies are found both in USA and Canada, right? They are called mid-wall grassland. They stretch with the Rocky Mountains in the west, Great Lakes region of Canada, USA in the east. They are extremely due to Samosan, which is the best soil for the cultivation of wheat. They are drained by river Mississippi and its tributary. और जो Canadian prairies है, what they include provinces from Alberta to Ontario. So if we talk about in the USA, prairies होते हैं वो north central state from Montana to Kansas, from north to south included. Prairies have flat or slightly underlying terrain. Land rises to a height of about 900 meters in the west along the slope of the rock. Mountains and slopes generally stretch toward east. The area is drained by many rivers and lakes. Saskatchewan, Winnipeg Lake, Canada, Missouri or Mississippi River in the US, and their tributaries. Right? Then we have climate. So climate, the region being located in the middle of the continent experience continent type of climate. यहाँ पे warm summer temperature है जो lower करता है around 20 degree Celsius and cold winters, right? As low as -20 degree Celsius and it receives moderate amount of rainfall. जो rainfall होती है वो कैसी होती है? Moderate होती है. So that's why it provides good condition for the growth of grasses. Now a skilling feature is winter where Chinook winds blow. Rockies से Chinook निकलती है Pacific side से, ठीक है, और it sink down and blow into the Canadian prairies. If we talk about flora and fauna, so we can say that they are dependent upon rainfall during growing season. जो prairies है, it has limited to short grasses, shrubs and scattered trees. Main species of trees are willows or elders. और जो trees होती हैं ये mostly grow करती है along the bank of river and the lakes and also the mountain slope. Original grasslands have now been converted to farmland. ये short और sparse grasses जो है आप देखेंगे they are suitable for cattle rearing. American buffalo, bison, badger, coyote, antelope, prairie dog, rabbit and gopher. ये क्या है? These are native animals that are found over here जो आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं. Right? Then we have people. Prairies में जो लोग हैं वो nomadic हैं, semi-nomadic हैं. Right? कुछ nomadic हैं, कुछ semi-nomadic हैं. They are hunter and food. Hunting और जो food gathering है यहाँ के लोगों की main occupation. ये sparsely populated है. जो ज़्यादा large population जो है वो किसमें engaged है? They are engaged in agriculture. Right? Farmer use scientific techniques of farming, especially for wheat cultivation. Combined harvester and tractors are widely used. Prior to which वो जो wheat है वो जो tall steels आपके towers होते हैं जिन्हें हम silos कहते हैं उसमें देखने को मिलते हैं. इनको हम granaries of the world कहते हैं. Right? जो important crop यहाँ पे grow करते हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं? आपके wheat, maize, barley, soybean, potato. Cotton is also produced on large scale in the warm and sunny areas of the south. और जो prairie है वो largest corn growing area. Some areas of the prairies receive very little rainfall. Grasses are short and sparse, right? The area are suitable for cattle rearing और जो main occupation है western part of the region, right? And the cattle where do they are reared? They are reared on the big farms जिन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Ranches कहते हैं. What we call them? Ranches. Now bison, antelope quality they are reared by European settlers in America. जो prairies people है, what they do? They rear cattle. They are known as cowboys and they use horse and dogs. ये horse और dogs पे use करता है cattle को manage करने के लिए. Dairy farming is concentrated in the Great Lake region. It also support the food processing industries in Canada. जो availability है किसकी? Variety of minerals and power resources. Development of heavy and consumer good industry जैसे Chicago, Indianapolis, right? Minneapolis, Kansas City, Denver. They are the important cities in the prairies in the US. If we talk about the important cities in Canadian prairies, जैसे आपका Winnipeg हो गया, Edmonton हो गया, Calgary हो गया, ठीक है, और Saskatoon हो गया. Next is Weld. If we talk about Weld, it's mean field in touch, right? It is the name given to the temperate grassland located in the eastern part of the plateau of South America, right? So it has slope from east to west. We have high veld, which is between 600 meter to 1100 meter. The range of hills are bit watershed, which is आर्तीस means that इसका जो altitude है वो 1700 से 1800. ये ऑरेंज जो रिवर से ड्रेन होती है. फिर टॉक अबाउट इट्स क्लाइमेट. देखो एक तो ये क्लोज टू सी है, राइट, विच हैव हाई एल्टीट्यूड. समर जो होती है वो नवंबर जनवरी वार्म होती है, वाइल जो विंटर होती है वो आपकी जून और अगस्त में होती है, जो कोल्ड और ड्राई उल्टा होता है. यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा समर में गर्मी होती है और विंटर में ठंड होगा, उल्टा होता है, राइट. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट फ्लोरा एंड फोना, so the vegetation is very scanty because of poor rainfall, right. The velds have fine and dot radial tree. In few parts of the veld thorny bushes, जैसे आपकी मोरोला हो गई, अकाकिया हो गई, ये मिलती है. Lions, leopard, cheetah, kindu, they are the main animals that are found over there. People originally inhabited the wells, right. उनको हम खोई खोई कहते हैं, they are the real people. Main occupation क्या है? Mining, farming, cattle rearing. Farming is not important क्योंकि जो रेनफॉल है और आपकी वहाँ पे देखोगे रेनफॉल पुअर है, लो रेनफॉल, पुअर सॉइल एंड ओकेजनल ड्रॉट होती है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे आपको देखिए ज़्यादातर जो क्रॉप उगाए जाते हैं वो आपके कैश क्रॉप होते हैं, जैसे शुगर केन हो गया, कोकोनट, टबैको, दे आर ग्रोन ओवर. व्हाट आर दीज आर द क्रैश, राइट. कैटल रियरिंग हियर प्रैक्टिस इन द वार्म एंड वेटर ईस्टर्न पार्ट, व्हाइल शीप्स आर रियर्ड इन कूलर एंड ड्रायर वेस्टर्न पार्ट. Dairy products, meats, they are all obtained from cattle. Beef is also exported. यहाँ से beef को export करा जाता है to southern European countries, and sheep rearing is very important in the highway. जो मैरियोना sheep है एक quantity wool देती है, और मोहर जो है वो अंगोरा गोट है. South Africa is a major producer and exporter of the wool in the world. Veld is rich in minerals. Gold, where it is found? It is found in the Wits watershed. Mining of gold and diamonds has attached the Europeans to South America. Johannesburg is called the gold capital of the world. और gold mines कहाँ? जो किम्बरले है आपका, प्रिटोरिया है, ये अमंगसा क्या है? richest diamond mining. Minerals wealth was previously exported to England as a raw material, and what happened gradually is the reason है what it become British colony. But now that free from British control, and it has many food processing center and well developing industry. Mineral जो होता है वो wells, मतलब जो well furnished है, and they have well-furnished transport system. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's do